Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I got a product unboxing and review video. It's been a while since I've done this. I've been trying to get more products to review, but now I got one. Now, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Xbox Mineral Blue, or Mineral Cameo, which is actually a really sick controller. Now, there was two options for me to go for. It was this one or the Starfield edition, which is a limited edition. I should have gone for that one, but I'll maybe try to get it sometime soon. If I manage to do something, I'll do that. But yeah, I went with this one because this one actually popped out the most and it was a lot more cheaper than the Starfield limited edition one. But yeah, let's open this bad boy up and see how it is. So that's the controller. Basically a standard unboxing. I know with the Starfield one, I believe it does have a better look with the box, but this is the Mineral Blue or Mineral Cameo. So you also get the controller. And every Xbox controller that you get comes with the 2 AA batteries, which is a nice one to include. And underneath the stand where you get the controller, you do get your manual and little pamphlets just to give you knowledge on the controller. I actually want to know, why is it so thick for a simple controller? I'm not ever going to know why they do that, but hey. But yeah, this is the Mineral Blue controller. Or Mineral Cameo. I'm just going to say blue all the time. But this is such a sick design for this controller. I love it. I love that it has a lot better grip than the Xbox Series S standard controller, which you always get with every console. So yeah, it feels really nice in the hands compared to obviously the standard controller. It does have the matte finish, so it does feel a bit better in the grip, which is actually really comfortable. And you got nice grips here on the triggers, and I mean, a little bit of ASMR, I guess. Clicking sounds actually pretty good. Now that's obviously standard. I mean, for most people that don't know what Xbox controller has, it does of course have a headphone jack at the bottom and a little port here for if you have the external battery pack, which makes it so you don't have to keep on getting AA batteries. Because I'll definitely say Xbox controllers do die very quickly. I mean, any controller does really quickly, especially with the round ball functionality. Otherwise, yeah, that's the unboxing of this controller. I'll definitely say this was worth the wait and worth the purchase. I mean, it wasn't too expensive. I believe it's around about $60 or $50 in the United States of America. But here in South Africa, I got from Takealot for about 1,700 or 1,800, which is very expensive. But compared to the Starfield controller, which is 2,000 Rand, and I believe it's around about $70 in America, it is a bit of a better save. Now, I'm definitely going to say I'm going to be going into more of collecting these controllers because they just look nice. And I mean, I can use them with PC and other devices like an iPad, which is nice to have. But otherwise, that's it for the video. I know it's a bit of a weird video, but hey, I was very excited about this. I'm pretty sure a lot of you that are looking for controllers want to know what this one is like, how it feels. I'll definitely say it's worth the purchase, so go for it. You do have the other option of this one, which is the red camo, or I'm not sure what the name is. I'll put the photo and the name of it, but it is such a nice look. I mean, the red I couldn't find really nicely with any good suppliers, but I mean, in the future, if I do collect more, I'll definitely try to get that and review it. Otherwise, that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.